So, good evening everyone. Good evening, sir. I'm Rufa May Coral and I'm going to report or discuss about tool and die life. So, let's start. So, the term die life is synonymous with production potential. The term punch life and die block life are expressions which refer to the production potential of a specific die components. It is also used to denote the usable portion of a punch or a die block. So, when we say die life, sa die life po, pwede kita makagibo madaming output or madaming workpiece sa isang particular na oras lamang. So, cutting edges wear and becomes dull. When a die is running and producing piece parts, they must be sharpened from time to time as required. Mostly, cutting components are sharpened by grinding away the cutting phase. So, ang ibig sabihin man po digdi sa cutting wear, kapag ang mga gilid kapag ang mga gilid niya napuputol at nagiging mapurol, dapat silang i-renew, i-grind. So, kailangan silang hasain paminsan-minsan para bumalik yung sharp na gusto nyo na gamitin para sa inyong workpiece. Then, so kapag nababawasan yung or kapag nag-grind yung ating workpiece or kapag nagpo-produce ng piece parts, ibig sabihin nababawasan ang kanyang dimension. So, yun lamang po dito sa ating cutting edges. Next is punch life and die block life. So, when a die is running and producing piece parts, cutting edges wear and becomes dull. They must be renewed by sharpening from time to time. Most commonly, cutting components are sharpened by grinding away the cutting phase. So, iyon na po ito sinabi ko kasi bago. Naulit man lang. Next is relative life. Relative life. So, relative life, punches and die blocks. Under identical service conditions, blanking punches often show less wear than piercing punches. This is because blanking punches, as a rule, are freer stripping than piercing punches, owing to the difference in the proportional area of stock material which must be stripped. So, ibig sabihin digdi, ang blanking punches niya, nag-show siya less wear kaysa sa piercing punches. Ang dahilan dakay ni, ang blanking punches daa, rule niya ito, na free stripping daa siya kaysa sa piercing punches. Next is sidewall finish. So, sa sidewall finish naman, the quality of the sidewall finish has a direct influence on the degree of friction. A smooth finish is essential to satisfactory punch and die function. Even the lay of the finish can be an important factor in the punch and die efficiency. So, ibig sabihin digdi, ang sidewall finish niya, nagre-refer siya sa quality and smoothness of the vertical surfaces of a die cavity or punch. It's crucial for producing high-quality parts with consistent dimensions and surface finish. So, man to from the word finish, gari man na siya, so gari, final na siya, gari smooth na talaga siya. Ining gari, wala ka na sa yung babaguhon. Okay nang side niya, argito. So, next is excessive wear. So, abnormal wear may be caused by any of the following conditions. So, when we say excessive wear, ini ang wear na occurs due to the friction produced from the contact between the sheet metal and the tooling surface. So, ibagay ito. So, kunyari baga ang sheet metal tapos ang tooling surface. Ang excessive wear kay ito nagluluwas na gari baga contact between sa duwang ito. Tapos, ang excessive wear pa, it can be damaged. The die surface can cause a gradual gradual loss of tooling material and scoring or burnishing damage to the sheet metal surface may be stress risers leading to premature failure in formed parts. So from the word failure, gari ano siya ining ano ini disadvantage pag siya pag kay ko katang excessive wear. So ayan po, meron na dyan na 1 to 12. So let's read na lang. So number 1, cutting clearance. Insufficient or excessive. Number 2, entry. Punches enter too far into the die opening. Number 3, crowding. Punches are too close to other punches. Inigagre ba mga disadvantage niya? Maybe caused by any of the following conditions pag nag-abnormal wear ka ta. Number 4, punch height. Vertical punch length is too great in relation to the cross-sectional area of the punch. Number 5, hardness. Hardness is component hard enough. Number 6, finish. Are sidewalls of punch or die opening smooth enough? Is the lay of the finish parallel to the direction of the punch travel? Number 7, material compatibility. Is component made from material suitable for working with the required type of stock material? Number 8, mounting. Components must be securely mounted. Mounting surface must be clean as well as flat and perpendicular to the punching axis. Punches must be properly aligned with their matting die opening. Number 9, stripping. Is his stripping action even? Number 10, excessive runs. Do not attempt to produce too many pieces between sharpening. Number 11, press condition. Dies cannot be expected to produce unless presses are in good condition. Number 12, careless setup. Check particularly for security and parallelism of bolster, and the die must be adequately secured in the press. So, yun po ang ating excessive wear na mga disadvantage and advantages. So, next is characteristic of cutting wear. So, optimal cutting clearance normally produces a condition where H is equal to 1 over half T to 1 half T. This is generally the best compromise considering such factor as number 1, quality of piece parts, including the degree of burr. Number 2 is lug pulling. Number 3, punch and die life. Next is chipping. So chipping, persistent chipping along the cutting edges will seriously detract from the potential life of the components. So chipping may occur for a number of different reasons. So huli pa mga reasons kung nagluluwas ang chipping. Number 1 is poor housekeeping. Foreign material enters the die usually with the stock strip or workpiece. This is mentioned mostly because this occurs too often. Number 2, grinding cracks. Shallow, invisible or nearly invisible cracks are induced by localized grinding heat. Number 3, insufficient cutting clearance. Number 4, hardness or brittleness of the components. So chipping can often be prevented by eliminating the dead sharp corner condition. This can be accomplished by stoning or lapping the cutting edges to produce a working radius. So, ang ibig sabihin po digdi, ay ini so reason niya kung nagluluwas ang chipping niya. So, apat na sinabi ko, ito ang reason niya kung nagluluwas ang chipping. Then, the next is compensating for differential wear. So, dies are designed to allow shorting of the forming punch simply by grinding its flat base surface as indicated. The forming punch is bolted to the pairing punch and is provided with elongated clearance holes for the mounting screws. The elongated holes permit the necessary vertical adjustments between the two punches. When the cutting height is lowered by sharpening, it is a simple matter to surface grind the same amount from the thickness of the compensator. So, provision for compensation grinding is primarily a maintenance consideration. So, here's the conclusion. So, precision in tool and die is not just a requirement. It's an art. It's the fine balance between craftsmanship and technology, tradition and innovation, as As the industry evolves, our commitment to delivering precision in every line remains unwavering. Whether your business looking for reliable tool and die services or individual curious about the industry, remember, precision is the key to excellence. So sabi nga ni Sir sa tuya baga, ang paras kang kang sa die block ng punch, ang mas madali ang gibuon ang die block kaysa sa punch. Tapano kung nyari ang mo baga, ang die block mo ay ang punch mo makonsumo nun sa oras kaysa sa die block. Kaya tigpapainat ni Sir ang mga die block na ay natapuson kaysa sa punch para mas dakol ang ma-create ang workpiece or output. So here's the reference. You can also read by this reference. Yun lamang po, sir. Thank you and bye-bye.